Hi guys, welcome to Bitcoin Gem channel. I hope you all are doing great. So in this video, we are going to look at VRA, that is Veracity, and we'll be doing detailed analysis of Veracity. So we are going to look into VRA chart in three different pairs. So I hope you guys be there till the end of the video because there'll be some important points in every pair that I think you should have a look. So without wasting further time, let's begin today's video. And I hope you guys have read this disclaimer. So we are going to look at VRA and we'll start with VRA USDT. And this is a daily chart on KuCoin. So what we currently see very clearly, I have kept this chart clean without any important price points ranges because I want to do it along with you guys. So the first thing that what I see very clearly that this is one resistance which is very clear to me. You can see over here 1, 2, 3. So it's a clearly established resistance in my opinion. This is one long-term trend line that I see for VRA. And it started a different trend line over here. Let me highlight this in dot. Yeah. So what we can see over here very clearly first is what VRA price is currently trying to do. It is trying to flip this previous peak or the previous resistance into support. This is a daily chart, and if you look at the price action, then we can very clearly see that price has been consolidating in this range since almost October, almost 2 months. So we first came into this range in October. We had an amazing impulse move. We came down and we are consolidating over here very nicely. If I just see this, this is a consolidation area. And if you see this, this has been previous peaks. This was previous peak. It's a very similar consolidation to what happened here. If you see over here, this fractal or this pattern, basically this fractal, this is a larger version of the same fractal. It's looking very similar. And what happened over here? You see, we were consolidating in this range, which was previous resistance, then it became support, it broke, again it became resistance. We had to go down, find support from this main trend line. Let me change its color to red. We had to find support from here, and then this was a clear reversal or round bottom, and we started another amazing impulse move. So this is what I can see on the daily. It is currently holding, or you can say flipping this zone into support, which was a previous resistance. Unless and until we hold this, I do not see any reason to be panic. In fact, we can even go down. We have a deviation and even retest this zone at around 4.5. Also, then it won't be panic. This entire zone can be bouncing from here, can be a flipping of previous resistance into support. This entire zone. This was a previous resistance. You could see that the moment we came over here near this price, it was a blow, kind of a blow off top. We immediately came down. So there was no much time spent at this price range. It was similar to a blow off top even over here. We would come over here, and the amount of sellers would increase and price would immediately drop. What is happening right now at this same price is that we are consolidating. So price is holding over here because it's a good consolidation. So overall, I do not see any major harm in this price action. If we go and look at the larger time frames, if we go and see the weekly, look at this on the weekly also, we can very clearly see the trend lines that we've drawn. Just see over here. Week, this was constant parabolic move to the up, non-stop green weekly candles. Then we came down. We had a decent support at this price range over here, where we started consolidating for almost a month, 4 weekly candles, almost a month. Then we ultimately broke this. We took support of this red trend line that you're seeing. This is a major trend line. And this, I think, would hold support if anything doesn't hold support. So this is a long-term trend line. I do not see currently. We might not even retest it. It might come handy in the next bear market. We don't know. So the current trend line is this black dotted trend line that, in my opinion, is very important for this trend to be intact. So if we want this trend on the weekly, we can see this was a high, higher high, low, higher low. So there is no reason to be panicky, to be bearish currently if you go purely by a price action. I'm not talking about your emotions. Your emotions can be high, low. Your emotions can be bullish, bearish. I am here not talking about emotions. I'm plainly looking at the chart and what I see in the chart. So this trend line, we can, even if we go till 4.4, 0.044 cents, still then we are respecting very much within the trend. So, and on the weekly, what we can very clearly see is we have made a higher high, higher low, and currently we are forming a higher low. In fact, if we consolidate over here still for you can say 1 or 2 weeks and then we bounce, it would be very healthy. If we look at the Stoch RSI even on the weekly, it is very, very low. The last time it was this down was over here when we were at around 1 cent. So this is, in my opinion, a positive sign. If you look on the VRA BTC chart, also let me add our 21 EMA and 200 EMA. So our EMA ribbons to know what is happening. Yeah. So if we add our EMA ribbons, even then what we can see very clearly, we have definitely broken the 21 EMA, which indicates it is extremely bullish. So on the daily, we are definitely not bullish, but we are consolidating under 21 EMA. If we purely go by EMA, look at this. Every time we go, we try to break it, we come down, we try again to break it, we come down. So in other words, we are gathering strength to break this resistance, because this 21 EMA was previously a huge support. You see this entire run, whenever we have done parabolic moves, we have always bounced from this 21 EMA. And in fact, when we've gone bearish on this, we've gained strength to again reverse it. So overall, I see this as a healthy consolidation. If I look on the daily chart, if I look on the weekly chart, just look at this. We have not even come down and retested our 21 EMA. Holding 21 EMA is bullish, is extremely bullish. Of course, we should hold it on daily to be parabolically bullish. Currently, we are not, but on the weekly, our 21 EMA is sitting at around 0.047 to 48. So on the weekly, we are still technically very much bullish. That's VRA USDT. If we look at the VRA BTC chart, then on the VRA BTC, we can see again a very similar pattern to what we saw in the USDT chart, we are currently consolidating under 21 EMA. But I find VRA BTC, in fact, very, very identical to VRA USDT. And if we look at the structure, again, a very similar structure over here. This is, in fact, I think we are in this channel. This is a channel, in my opinion, where this was a deviation which we immediately bounced back, or this was, you know, kind of an event where you shake out. So kind of a shakeout event. This was a deviation. We are again back in the range. And this also can be, yeah. So on the BTC pair also, I think we are currently consolidating before above the previous peak. You see over here, this is a consolidation range. This is where we are consolidating right now, which was a previous. In April, we had topped here. Then we broke, but we again came down. And ultimately in October, we broke this and we are currently above it. So these are important ranges that I see for VRA Bitcoin pair, which we are holding currently very well. Sorry. At around 8716 Satoshis and at around 6560 Satoshis. So even in the Bitcoin pair, in my opinion, VRA is still very much bullish and it's maintaining its trend. This is the trend that I see, a trend line for VRA. And anytime coming close and respecting this trend line and bouncing from here would be good. If we go and look at the weekly, yeah, you can see very clearly at the weekly. So even on the Bitcoin pair, this weekly Stoch RSI is almost at bottom, very similar to what we saw on USDT pair. Also on the weekly, we can very clearly see this is still an uptrend. This is high, high, another high. This is low, low, another low. So unless we don't break previous low, we cannot say whether the trend is reversed. We are in a bull trend when it comes to VRA. Unless and until we don't create a low lower than this low, the trend is intact. So in the Bitcoin pair, in the USDT pair, I see price action very similar, which is only telling me that it is consolidating, and also this price range, sorry, this price action can be because of the unsurety in the market related to Bitcoin and the overall markets. You can see markets are shaky, even Bitcoin is taking time because of the virus threat, and there is a threat overall in the markets world over, and we can see that panic in the price action. But it has not broken any important support, whether it is in the Bitcoin pair, whether it is in the USDT pair. Let us go and see the Ethereum pair. So this is a fairly new chart. I could find only one chart again of VRA in the Ethereum pair. But even here we can see this is an uptrend, and look at this. Even in the ETH pair, this is a daily Stoch RSI almost at zero. So this is literally bottoming. Of course, this is Stoch RSI. It can extend, it can go on for days, but still, my point is at one point, this has to again go high. So a breakout on the upside is very, very likely. Since the trend overall is bullish, it would not be logical, it would not be intelligent to assume that we have broken trends or we are going bearish. Unless and until I don't see it on chart, I do not like to comment there. I don't use my emotions when it comes to trading. And when it comes to investing, I think this is one of the best times to buy, because you can see the price is dipped very much. The RSI is down. And as a project, I think VRA has amazing bright future in my opinion. Again, this is not a financial advice. You guys do your own research, because I'm not responsible for your profit or your loss. But I'm bullish on VRA. I do not see any reason to panic. To break this consolidation, I think we need to break this range, which is at around 6.8 to 6.5. This is the range that we need to break to come out of this consolidation phase and again start a new wave. For me, this is a very important price point for VRA. I have right now highlighted in black at around 6.8, this range. See this price action. I want this to be flipped into support. Sorry. Once we do this, once we flip this zone into support, I see VRA heading for a new impulse wave. So currently we are in consolidation. We are very well above the support. And as we saw on the weekly, 4.7 to 4.8 is our support. Even it confluences with our trend. This trend line tells us that 4.4 to 4.5 is our support. So this entire zone, let me highlight it to let me go and check the Fibonacci also, as I want to do a complete detailed analysis. Yeah. So if we go and check our Fib, look at this. As per Fibonacci, we have broken 0.382 and 0.5 is at around 0.047. This is 0.5 level. And 0.236 is at 68. As I told you, I wanted to flip 68 into support. Anything above 0.236 is extremely bullish. Anything above 0.382 is still bullish. Anything above 0.5 is still bullish. So 0.5 is at 47 and we are above it. So I think the trend is intact. So looking at multiple ways, looking at Fibonacci, looking purely at support resistance, looking at the daily time frame, at the weekly time frame, and the monthly time frame, I do not see any weakness in the chart. This is healthy. This is consolidation, in my opinion. Look at this. If we look at the monthly, yes, just see, we are creating higher highs and higher lows. So I think what we need to now wait and watch is what Bitcoin does, because in my opinion, I have told this many times on Twitter, that VRA is completely coupled with Bitcoin. So if Bitcoin drops, I think none of this analysis matter. If Bitcoin crashes, I think VRA will crash, very likely to crash. If it does not crash, it will be great. But consider that it will crash and plan your risk accordingly. So don't just look at the VRA chart, also look at the Bitcoin chart. Every week I provide Bitcoin 1 minute analysis, and that should help you. Okay, it is likely that VRA will follow Bitcoin. I'm not saying that it will always happen, but likely, unless proof of view is adopted, unless VRA is adopted in the real world, price will likely follow Bitcoin, in my opinion. So this is an overall analysis of VRA. I think it is good. and I do not see any reason to panic. I think this is a good range to flip into support and a very good range to accumulate if you're looking to accumulate some. So thank you very much, guys. Take care. Bye bye. I hope you guys have liked this video and you have subscribed to my channel. I will keep updating you with new VRA analysis every week. Take care. Bye bye.